Good morning. It's Monday again. We're going to do a folded wing for coloring book number 24. And yeah, we're going to do this one. Hard to get you guys to see it without the glare, but we're doing our best. So it's a Rangoli grid all the way out to the farthest dot. We're going to make a little curve, just a slight curve. Okay, all the way around. Then to the next dot down, make this curve going the other way. And then we connect this curve to that curve. And then we connect that to there. Do you see that? Oh, you probably didn't see this step. No, you didn't, because I was not in a good spot. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so this has a curve. Then this has a curve. Then that curves up to there. And that curves down to there. Now you should have been able to see that. I hope you could see that. That's what we're going to do. I have already drawn a grid on my paper. You can see it here. I find it easier to just go ahead and just do a circle grid rather than dots for the Rangoli grid. It's up to you. You do what you works best for you. Turn on the light so I can see. Let's do that. And then this curve is going to go from here around to the center. Just like this. So I'm going to go ahead and draw those with my pencil. If you guys can't see, I apologize. I do need to make my lines very light so they can be erased. But I will go ahead and do them again in pen. So you will be able to see. And then this will go from here to here, like this. Okay, we're going to start with those lines. Let's draw with this size pen. Okay, so I'm going to start here. I'm going to draw from the outer with a bit of a curve right to the middle, like that. Okay. I might have these petals a little bit more curvy than they have on the sample, on the step out, but that's okay. Just like that. And then we want to go this way, from the next one down, inward. Just like so. And one more. Just like that. Then the next one is from here to up here. Okay. I'm getting hungry. Why am I hungry? Oh, because it's 12:30. It's lunchtime. That's why I'm hungry. Let me finish these. I'm going to get a couple videos done today. Finish them and get them uploaded. I need to make an eye appointment. I need to do that this afternoon too. Okay, and then the next one is going to go from here down to here, about halfway. Like so. That's it. Basic pattern is done. Then all that's left is for you guys to embellish and fill it in and make it your own. It's so hard for me to stop. Let me tell you, it is so hard for me to stop at this point and not embellish, but that's for the coloring book part. All right. 7 minutes, quick and easy actually. I will see you guys on the next video, wherever that takes us. We are in, pardon me, we're in my husband's birthday week. Alrighty, and you know what we are also hurtling towards? Next month, just an FYI, next month I will be celebrating 10-year anniversary on YouTube. I cannot believe that. I really can't. That's crazy. I haven't decided yet what we're going to do to celebrate that, but we're going to celebrate it somehow. Anyways, you guys have a blessed day. Go out and do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, one person at a time, and I will see you guys later. Bye-bye.